Welcome to this training video on the KWIZ Data View Plus app. In this video, I will introduce the Data View Plus app and explain how it is like the ultimate Swiss Army knife. It allows you to connect to a range of data sources including SharePoint lists, Excel spreadsheets, search data, and the Graph API. There is a great deal of control over how data sources are filtered and data fields returned. It has a flexible Lego-style UI, which easily allows for building up of controls like filters, groups, and tabs. Plus, it can leverage custom controls to display data specific to your requirements.
The Data View Plus app is added to a page like any other web part. Edit its settings to configure the data source and associated options. Firstly, select the data source type. This is a combined list from all of the other apps. For example, if I select an Excel file, I will need to browse to that file. The Graph API will require a graph path amongst other settings. And a SharePoint list will require the site URL and the selection of a SharePoint list. The key difference is whichever data source is selected, at least one extra page of configuration is required. This page will define the data type. Is it just generic list data, or is the data more complex? This could be org chart data, or even new options like pictures. These more advanced options will require field mappings. This is one of the core differences in the Data View Plus app. First, you define the data source, for example, a SharePoint list. Then you define how the data is being used. This is because that data could be just a table, but could also be used in an org chart. The Data View Plus app uses the Lego-style UI to control how data is presented. You can easily add new controls like groups or filters. You can also change an existing control dependent on the data type. There is also the option for custom controls, which are covered in a separate video. In this video, I introduced the Data View Plus app. I demonstrated how it can be connected to different data sources and how that data can be defined as different types. For further information on configuring the different types of data, please consult the videos for the List View Plus, List Aggregator, and Org Chart. Thank you for watching this training video. If you need any further information, please contact QuizCom using the details on screen.